everyone, welcome back to Tech Infused, where we dive into the latest in tech and innovation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our future videos. Today, we're talking about something crucial for anyone looking to stay ahead in the tech industry. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, mastering these AI skills in 2024 will give you a competitive edge. So let's jump right into the top 10 essential AI skills you need to learn now. Skill number 10, ethical AI and responsible AI development. Understanding the ethical implications of AI is more important than ever. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems is crucial. This means considering the social impact of AI and making sure we avoid biases and promote inclusivity. Remember, responsible AI development isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. Skill number 9, big data analytics. Handling and analyzing large data sets is a key skill. With the explosion of data, being able to extract meaningful insights is essential for making informed decisions and driving business strategies. Tools like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases are invaluable. If you can master these, you'll be able to unlock the full potential of big data, making you a valuable asset in any organization. Skill number 8, natural language processing or NLP. NLP is all about making sense of human language. From chatbots to language translation, mastering NLP can open doors to creating more interactive and intuitive AI applications. Imagine developing systems that understand and respond to human emotions, or that can translate languages with near-perfect accuracy. The possibilities are endless, and the demand for NLP experts is only going to grow. Skill number 7, reinforcement learning. This involves training AI systems through trial and error using reward systems. Reinforcement learning is essential for developing systems that can make complex decisions, like self-driving cars and game-playing AI. It's about teaching AI to learn from its mistakes and successes, much like humans do. This skill can set you apart, as it's pivotal in cutting-edge AI research and applications. Skill number 6, data engineering. Data engineers build and maintain the data pipelines that make data accessible and usable. This involves cleaning, organizing, and structuring data for analysis and modeling. Think of data engineers as the unsung heroes who ensure that data scientists and analysts have high-quality data to work with. Learning tools like Apache Kafka, Airflow, and ETL processes will be incredibly beneficial. Skill number 5, deep learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, focuses on neural networks with many layers. It's the driving force behind some of the most exciting AI developments, from image recognition to speech synthesis. By mastering frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, you can build models that tackle complex problems, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Skill number 4, computer vision. Computer vision enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. This skill is key for developing applications in fields like healthcare, automotive, and security. Imagine creating AI that can diagnose diseases from medical images or that can drive autonomous vehicles safely. The impact of computer vision is profound, and it's a skill worth investing in. Skill number 3, model deployment and MLOps. It's not enough to create a model, you need to deploy it efficiently. MLOps combines machine learning with DevOps to ensure continuous integration, delivery, and monitoring of models in production. This ensures that models perform well in real-world environments and adapt to changing data. Mastering tools like Kubernetes, Docker, and CI/CD pipelines is essential for this skill. Skill number 2, machine learning algorithms and techniques. Understanding the wide range of machine learning algorithms and knowing when to apply them is foundational. This includes everything from decision trees to neural networks. By gaining a deep understanding of these algorithms, you can choose the right approach for different problems, optimizing performance and accuracy. This is the backbone of any AI professional's skill set. Skill number 1, programming and software engineering. The backbone of all AI development is solid programming skills. Proficiency in languages like Python, R, and Java along with a strong grasp of software development principles, is essential. These skills enable you to implement AI models and systems effectively. Additionally, understanding version control, testing, and software design patterns will make you a well-rounded AI developer. And there you have it, the top 10 essential AI skills to learn in 2024. Whether you're looking to start a career in AI or just want to stay current, mastering these skills will keep you ahead of the curve. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos like this. Let us know in the comments which AI skill you're most excited to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.